Welcome, in front of me I have REALME Narzo 20A, and today I will show you how you can change the sound settings of your screen recorder. So at first you have to go for the settings, find additional settings, and then go for the screen recording. When we are here, we got the sound settings. We can turn off or turn on record system sound by tapping on the switcher, and the same for the record microphone sound. Here we got also the description that if we record both system sounds and microphone sounds while our phone is playing audio from the speaker, the recorder video may contain some noise. So for some better quality, they recommend us to having earphones connected during the screen recording. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.